Hey you guys, it's your boy Nas, aka Supreme, and I'm back with another YouTube video. If you guys want to see how I got this nice braid out, just stay tuned. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me and all of my extraness, so make sure you follow me on all of my social media just to stay updated with new posts. So today we're going to be doing a braid out, and we're starting on freshly washed and conditioned hair. So for today's braid out, we're actually going to be blow drying our hair, and you want to take your favorite heat protectant. I'll be using the Silk Infusion. This is a really good heat protectant. I use this a lot. My hair loves it, and it really protects my hair and gives me a nice shine. Also notice that my hair is already kind of sectioned off. This is just going to make blow drying a little bit easier. So now you want to just apply a small amount and work that into your hair, and then start blow drying your hair. So once again, I'm just sectioning off my hair. Oh my gosh, do you guys see my sides? Gross. Anyway, I'm sectioning off my hair just to work in smaller sections because I find it a little bit easier. The next thing I'm doing is taking Camille Rose Almond Jai twisting butter and just applying this to my hair. So the next thing I'm taking is argan oil of Morocco from Ogx. This stuff is great. It smells great, leaves your hair soft and shiny. So now that you worked all the products in, you're going to want to take 3 even strands and start braiding. For those who don't know how to braid, it's fairly simple. What you're going to want to do is alternate between making the outsides the middle. If that makes sense, hopefully you guys can just look at it and get the gist of it. So yeah. So for me, what I like to do at the end is actually 2-strand twist it. So I'm going to apply a little bit more product at the end and then just continue to 2-strand twist. Here's me once again showing you guys the process. Continue that on the entirety of your head, and then you should be good. I'm just braiding down my sides, and then you're just going to leave this in overnight. So this is the next morning, and I'm ready to take them down. I'm going to be applying more of the oil, just rubbing this around my hands just to reduce some frizz. Now you guys, you are going to get frizz, but this helps. So taking them down is just as easy as putting them in. You're just going to want to unravel them. Be very gentle though, just so you can reduce as much frizz as possible. As you guys can see, this is some great definition. Now we're gonna just wanna separate, and you're gonna wanna separate the hair where it naturally wants to separate, as you guys can see from this clip. So if you feel like you've over separated anything, you can always just go back and re-braid it and put a blow dryer to it just to set it a little bit more, and then leave it and then take it back out. So this is the finished look, you guys. I feel like this is a really cute summer look. Like I would definitely wear this to like the beach or something. I mean, my hair probably would get wet and revert, but if I didn't go in the water, y'all, definitely a beach look. And if you guys want to know how I did this cute little bun bow, you guys, I'll leave a little box or a link somewhere in this video. Yes, definition, yes. Yes. Definition. All right, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is your boy Nas, aka Supreme, and I'll be back with another YouTube video.